Hello everybody. We'll discuss some technique, that is the shortcut tricks. In previous class already discussed, that is the 6 tricks. Now here, that is the 7th onwards we'll discuss. That means tabular method, DI method, Hindu method. That DI means derivative and integration method. This is actually, that is the integration by part ka shortcut trick. That means if the format is given x to the power n fx dx, where fx is equal to trigonometric or exponential function is given. In that time we can do, you take one example, that is the x square, then sin x dx, that is suppose given. D, here this is I. That means you have to think about the question. Here ILET format you know, ILET format you know, I for invert, L for logarithm, A for algebraic, T for trigonometry, E for exponential. Which will come first, that is the first to second, okay, function you have to select. So that means here which is comes here first, that is the x square comes, this is the first, this is the second comes. Means what? Here you have to take, this is the x square, you have to take, this is the sin x. Now you have to find out the derivative here, that is the 2x. Then you have to find out the derivative here, that is equal to 2. Okay, you have to find out derivative here, that is equal to 0. Now here sin x ka integration minus cos x. Then minus cos x ka that's integration, that is equal to minus sin x. Then sin x ka then integration, this is equal to cos x. You have to put here first in left side, that is plus, then minus, then plus, then minus. Here you have to think about the here this multiplication. In this way the result comes. That means what? Up to the 0, the derivative part, if it becomes to 0, you have to tell what the derivative comes. Up to the 0 you have to find out. After finding, you have to find the integration same way. In this way you have to calculate. Means what the result comes, that is equal to this x square into minus, that is the minus x square cos x, then this into this minus minus plus, that is equal to plus 2x sin x, then 2, this is the cos x, plus 2 cos x plus c. This is the result. This is the shortcut trick result. This means this is based on this DI method. This is DI or tabular method. This is the tabular form or DI method. This is generated by Hindu. So that's why this is also called Hindu methods. Okay, that is very easy. Then I will take another example. Suppose that is equal to x to the power 4 cos x dx is given. In that way you can do here. Similarly, d, this is equal to I. That means this is equal to first, this is equal to second function. Means here x4, this is equal to cos x. Now you have to find out the derivative. But the derivative comes, this is equal to 4x cube. This is equal to similarly 12 x square. This is equal, that is 24x. This is equal to 24. Then it comes to 0. After okay comes to 0, you stop it. Now cos x ka integration sin x. Then sin x ka integration minus cos x. Then minus cos x ka integration minus sin x. Then similarly minus sin x ka, this is cos x. Okay, then cos x ka, that is equal to sin x. Okay, cos x ka sin x. So what the value here, you have to arrange in this way. This is a plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. This way, this is the multiplication comes. This way you have to multiply. This way you have to multiply. The result comes. What the result? Here x fourth sin x plus, sorry, minus minus plus, this is equal to 4x cube cos x, this into this minus 12x square, okay, sin x, then this into this minus 24x cos x, then plus 24 sin x plus c. This is the result. This is very easy technique. You can, okay, use very easily. If you practice more and more, you can get, okay, the result within 5 seconds. This is a very easy technique. Now you do another question also in exponential. Let you take the example. That example is here. That is x cube e to the power x dx. Here exponential function, algebraic function. Means exponential function last, algebraic first. So that's why this is first function. This is a second function. So here derivative, that is the first function. Integration, that is second function. That's why the derivative here, the value comes, what value comes? This is the 3x square, then 6x, then 6, then 0 it comes. Similarly, e to the power x ka integration, that e to the power x, this is e to the power x, this is e to the power x, this is e to the power x. That means you have to analyze the sign now. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus, this is, okay, this is plus. So plus से हमको शुरू करना पड़ेगा, okay? Starting plus, then minus, then plus, then minus, then plus. In this way you can calculate. That's why what the value comes, this into this, this into this, this into this, this into this comes. The result comes, what the result? This is equal to x to the power 3 e to the power x minus 3x square e to the power x, then 6x plus 6x e to the power x, then similarly minus 6 into e to the power x plus c. That is the result. That is the result. This is the shortest way to find the by parts integration. By parts integration you can do very easily. Very easy. This is technique number 8. If x to the power n fx dx is there, where fx is equal to logarithm function, then what value? In that case, stop when it starts to get smaller. Okay, जब वो स्मॉलर हो जाएगा तब वो हम बंद कर देंगे. इसका मतलब क्या है? देखो, इसका मतलब है, देखो, which is the first function, which is the second function. Logarithm is the first function and the algebraic is the second function. Means you can write here, that is a d. What is the d? D is here, I is here. That means you can say this is the ln x, this is the x cube. Means you have to write 1 by x, this is 3x square. That time, that is minus 1 by x square, this is equal to what? 6x. इधर प्लस, इधर माइनस, इधर प्लस. हम क्या किया, ये जो वैल्यू है ना, जब स्मॉलर हो गया, ये स्मॉलर हो गया, तब क्या करेंगे, इससे स्टॉप कर देंगे, ज्यादा नहीं करना. तो इसीलिए वो वैल्यू क्या करना, इधर हमको इंटीग्रेशन वैल्यू लेना. तो कैसे हम लेंगे ना, इधर इस प्रोसेस हम और दूसरा आगे करेंगे नहीं, इससे हम स्टॉप कर देंगे. ओके, आफ्टर दैट यू, sorry, here this is integration is given. That's why this is x to the power 4 by 4. Okay, this is equal to x to the power 5 by, okay, 4 into 5. But it is not necessary, because it is a 0 is there, sorry, smaller part is there, we have to stop it. Here x cube, उनका integration x fourth by 4, then here उनका integration x fifth by 4 into 5. But This part is not necessary. Why? This is a okay smaller. So this से smaller होता आ रहे. So smaller जब होगा इससे बंद कर देंगे, मतलब स्टॉप कर देंगे, उससे आगे नहीं जाएंगे. ओके, उससे आगे तब क्या करना ना, इससे जो वैल्यू है इसको हम रखेंगे और नहीं. तो इसीलिए हम इधर इंटीग्रेशन शुरू करेंगे. इंटीग्रेशन इधर हम शुरू करेंगे. ये है कंसेप्ट, दिस इनटू दिस एंड दिस इनटू दिस आल्सो. सो हियर चेक इट, व्हाट द चेकिंग कंसेप्ट इज देयर. दिस इज इक्वल टू ln x means x to the power 4 ln x. This is equal to minus integration x to the power 4 by 4 into 1 by x dx. This is comes. This means this multiplication comes. So minus is there, so that you have to try it in minus. Now here cutting. So here cutting, that is 3 means x to the power 4 by 4 ln x minus x cube by 4 dx का इंटीग्रेशन. इसका मतलब है x फोर्थ by 4 ln x minus x fourth by 4 into 4 plus c. This is the answer. This is the answer because it is the integration, x cube by 4 का integration. So that's why the value comes in this way. The value comes in this way. This is a logarithm example. You can take another example, x to the 5 log 2x dx. How? That means here you can take, this is d, this is I. Now comes to the question, this is equal to log 2x, this is equal to x to the power 5. Here log 2x का derivative 1 by 2x, again 2x का derivative, okay, 2x का derivative 2, it comes to 1 by x. Simple. After that it value comes, what value comes, that is equal to minus 1 by x square. That means now you stop it. Here x to the power 5 by integration x to the power 6 by 6. Now don't write again because this is a smaller value. If when it gives a smaller value, now stop it. Now you can do what sign represent. That means after multiplication, this concept will come. Means what concept? This is equal to x to the power 6 by 6 into log 2x minus x to the power 6 by 6 into 1 by x dx. Now this value x to the power 6 by 6 into log 2x minus, here cutting is there, this value comes here, after cutting it is 5, so x to the power 5 by 6 dx it comes. Now the result comes to what? That is the x to the power 6 by 6 log 2x minus, that is log means base, log means base here, that is x to the power 6 by 6 into 6 plus c is the result. Okay, by using X technique you can do the DI method. Okay, very easily. Now comes to another, now ninth technique, that means e to the power x fx dx format is there. When fx is equal to trigonometric function, stop. When you get a matching term, जब तक मैचिंग टर्म नहीं आ रहे तब तक हमको करना है. इसका मतलब है अकॉर्डिंग टू हाईलाइट रूल, this is first function, this is second function, d is equal to e to the power x, d means derivative e to the power x का, I है cos x का. Means here y is up to e to the power 2x comes, means where that is equal to cos x का integration simple sin x. Now this way that is 4 e to the power 2x, then sin x that is minus cos x. That means here the matching terms comes, means here e to the power 2x, then cos x, here e to the power 2x, then cos x. Whatever the sign, you don't think about the sign. So after matching term, you stop it. Now you have to stop it. So after stop, okay, the result comes. What result you have to take? That means similarly, this way you can do, this way you can do. The method comes in this way. Now after stop, what will do? Means in this way, after stop, this way you can do. Means this is the integration concept comes this way. This is the integration concept comes. Means here the value here e to the power 2x sin x minus 2 e to the power 2x minus plus cos x, then here minus 4 e to the power 2x cos x dx का इंटीग्रेशन. ओके, cos x dx का इंटीग्रेशन. ये i, ये माइनस 4i लेफ्ट साइड चलाएगा तो क्या होगा? दैट इंप्लाइज 5 e to the power 2x cos x dx का इंटीग्रेशन which is equal to e to the power 2x sin x plus 2 e to the power 2x cos x comes. That means you can say that is e to the power 2x cos x dx का integration is equal to 1 by 5 e to the power 2x sin x plus 2 e to the only cos x plus c. This is the answer. Means this is the technique to find. Means at the end of the concept, if the matching term come in this way, you have to multiply. This is multiplication. This is this multiplication minus का integration होगा. ये minus plus minus minus है, so integration होगा. This integration. This comes to right side because it is matching term. This is I. This is minus 4i. So 5i होगा. This is 5 into I comes. So after that, the 5 divided in that way. 1 by 5 e to the x sin x plus 2 e to the 2 cos x plus c. So c must, we have to write c must be right c. Okay. Another 10th technique. What the 10th technique? This is 10th technique. This is very easy technique. You can do, okay, by practicing very easily you can do. In 1 second you can do. That means here same process is there. You have to do, that means e to the power 3x by here a is equal to 3, b is equal to 4, 3 square plus 4 square, then a is equal to 3, fx is equal to sin 4x. Okay, then इनका derivative that is equal to 4 cos 4x. This is the result. Very easy. That is within 1 second you can do the question. This type of question, if you come easily you can do. Another example you can say, an example is given. Suppose e to the power 5x, then cos suppose 10x dx is given. That means here the e to the power 5x by 5 square plus 10 square. The result comes here. This is fx. This is fx. So that's why that is a into a is here 5 into that is cos 10x minus cos 10x का derivative, that is minus 10 sin 10x. This is the result because cos का derivative sin, because cos का derivative minus sin. So that's why minus 10 sin 10x. This is the result. You can do very easily. ये करने के लिए तुमको मतलब चुटकी में हो जाएगा, चुटकी में. करने के लिए तुमको 1 सेकेंड से भी कम लगेगा if calculation is very fast. So this is the technique. This is the important technique for IIT-JEE aspirant. The shortcut trick. What type? This type of video will continue. Please give support and likes, and please subscribe. If you are not till now subscribed, so share to all students. Thank you very much. And next shortcut technique will come in next video. Okay, please watch in next video.